Hey friends, if you encounter camera error with the code 0x200F4244 or you encounter the error 0xA00F4244 on your Windows PC, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So it has been mentioned on the Microsoft support forum as well, and it has been mentioned on other forums as well. Basically, the answer is to download the drivers from the manufacturer's website. But before I explain this, we will try to run the camera troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then go to the system drive on the list on the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, and click on run corresponding to the camera troubleshooter. Okay. If this doesn't help, which in most cases it won't, that's because your system has Intel's drivers or your system has drivers approved by Microsoft, but it does not have specific camera drivers. Now, let's say I'm using a Canon camera with my system. So webcams usually pick up the drivers easily, but what if I'm using a Canon DSLR with my system? In that case, I will have to search for the appropriate utility. In this case, it's EOS webcam utility. This is for Canon cameras. For other cameras, depending upon the brand of the camera, you'll have to contact its manufacturer and check its website. But I'm telling you about my own camera. So I'll go to this EOS webcam utility pro. I'll click on download for Windows and I will fill the form and I'll download this. I have already downloaded it on my system. I'll show you device manager and expand the list of cameras. I have the EOS webcam utility here. So I cannot install it once again, but I already have this utility. But this utility does not come when I update my system, or it will not be installed along with the camera, or it will not be installed when I try to update the drivers. I will have to download these separately. It is also mentioned with a lot of cameras because a lot of these DSL cameras are not made to be connected as webcams to computers, but if you want to connect them to computers, then you will have to download these utilities. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.